Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing showing you guys a PR kit that I got from a company called Maniology. They were nice enough to send your girl some stamping plates, and I'm just doing the unboxing right now, but I will be sure to link everything down below as well. They sent me 3 different stamping plates. One is a book theme, and I thought that was so cute because it has books and owls, and my mom loves owls and she loves reading, so do I. So I have her here. She's going to be my lovely muse, and I'm going to be using her hand to demonstrate how to use these products. This is my first time ever using a stamping plate, so with that being said, just watch your girl learn how to do this, okay? So I got the book theme nail stamping plate, I got the study hall stamping plate, and they also sent me the Kelly Marissa stamping plate, which is like constellations and stars. So we went ahead and we're going to use the book lovers. They also sent me 6 neon shades in their what is this called? Hold on. The School's Out 6-piece neon stamping art polish. They sent me a sticky base coat. They also sent me a top coat and white and black stamping polish as well. They also sent me the scraper, the stamper that is in this container here. They also sent me an angled precision brush to clean up around the nails. And then they sent me this cute pineapple, which is a pineapple cotton grabber. So that way when you're done finished up, like when you're finished with your manicure and everything, you don't have to get your fingers all sticky touching the cotton. So you literally grab the cotton with that. And I thought it was so cute. So here I'm just opening up the neon pigments. I liked how they had everything wrapped. It's super simple, easy packaging. And I love the colors. Like, this was just giving me like nostalgic vibes. I'm a 90s baby, and I just love how everything was just very, very nicely packaged. So again, thank you so much, Maniology, for reaching out to me and sending me this lovely kit. So you guys know I like to read instructions, so I went ahead and read their manual, and it said to wash the stamping plate off. So you want to make sure that the stamper. I'm washing the stamper off with some dish soap. I let that dry, and then once it was done drying, I did go in with some tape just to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So now I'm just going in with this shade that I'm using from Nail Addict. It is called Dusk at Sea. It's a really, really cute turquoise greenish blue color, and I'm just going in with my Red Iguana the UV lamp. It's like a portable UV light, and I'm just going ahead and flash curing in between each layer. I am going to put 2 layers of this on, and then I'm going to go ahead and start to use the nail plate. Now, this was my first time ever using this, so I just wanted to use my mom to just try to figure out how to do this. So I didn't prep her nails. I'm just going in, applying the polish, and playing around with the stamping just to see how it goes before I do too much. And then afterwards, my next video, I will be doing a full video, but I just really wanted to get straight into it. You guys know nail prep sometimes takes a minute, and her nails look pretty clean. So I just wanted to go ahead and just apply the polish, try one nail, and then once I got that, it was pretty good. So here I have it. I just put on the white. I scraped it at a 45-degree angle, and I'm pressing it on her nail. I did put it on sideways, which is why I'm glad that I cured the nail polish first. So all I had to do was wipe that off of her nail, and I'm just going in with some tape and removing the nail polish off of the stamping plate and off the stamper. So I'm just going to do this one more time. You just want to make sure that you are scraping it and you are kind of fast with this because it can dry really fast. So now I got my positioning better, and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp this really, really cute little owl on her finger. And I was so impressed. I was just like, this is so cute. So this was really, really fun. So we're just going to go in with a couple different designs off of this nail plate or the stamping plate. We went in with the owls. We went in with one that says I'm booked for the weekend. We did a book stack, and then I forget the other one we picked, but you'll see on the video each one I'm doing, and then I'll be sure to zoom up close when I'm done. So once I was done applying that, I did cure the nail. I am going in with top coat again, and I'm just flash curing everything, making sure that it's nice and clean. This nail was actually the best nail, and it was the first one I ever did. The other ones I did struggle with for a minute because I felt like I was letting the nail stamping plate dry out too much with the polish. So you just want to make sure that you are you just want to make sure that you are working quickly and efficiently. You're not giving it too much time to dry, because if it dries on the stamping plate, it's not going to transfer onto the stamper. So I'm just going in with another color from Nail Addict. This is in the white out, and I'm just going ahead and applying this to the rest of her nails. So she wanted all of her nails white, but I wanted to do the green one first just to see how it would look with the white stamper. And I kind of wish I would have done them all green, but that's neither here nor there. So we're just going to play around with a couple of the different shades from the kit. and we're just going to finish stamping her nails. And again, I will list everything I'm using down below. The shade colors from the Schools Out collection were super cute. And if you guys have not already, make sure that you follow your girl on Instagram, and you make sure that you like this video. And give me 1 second. I'm going to look at the nail polish colors, and I'll be back in just a second. So the colors in the Schools Out set is Pencils Down, which is the neon yellow. They have Food Fight, which is the neon green. Blue Glue, which is the neon blue. Class Clown, which is the neon purple. Slam Book, which is the neon pink. And then Summer Fun, which is the neon orange. So I'm just going in with a couple of these different shades. Again, no particular method to my madness. I just wanted to get the dang stamp designs onto my mom's fingers. And then I am going to go ahead and make sure that I'm cleaning up around the edges. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted to test this out. I will be doing a lot more videos doing my daughter's nails because I thought this was so cute. And I like the fact that they sent me the back to school set. And I think that'll be so dope for her to wear when she goes to school. So just be on the lookout for more videos with me using my Maniology products. And I will also be sure to link my discount code down below for you guys if you would like to receive a discount on your orders. Be sure to check that out. I will link it in the description as well. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. This video is pretty easy. I'm just going in now with some cuticle oil, and I'm going to show you guys how it looked up close. Again, this was my first time ever, okay? So be easy. But thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.